In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit existing tables connected to Wix CMS. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to update. From your dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, go to the left side toolbar and click the CMS icon. This will open the content management area where your site collections are stored. Next, open the Collections section to view the tables connected to your website content. Find the specific collection you want to edit and select it, then click Manage Collection or simply open the collection to display its table. This table contains the content that powers dynamic elements across your website. To make changes, click directly on the cell you want to update. Once the cell is selected, enter the new value you want to use. You can repeat this process for any text, number, image reference, or other supported field in the collection. If you need to update several entries, continue moving through the table and edit the necessary rows and columns one by one. If you want to add a new field, click Add Field. Then enter the field name and choose the correct field type for the kind of content you want to store. This is useful when your collection needs an additional column for new information. If you need to add a new item, click Add Item. A new row will appear in the table. Enter the required information into each field so the new record is complete and ready to display on your site. Continue editing as needed until all of your content changes are in place. After you finish updating the collection, save your changes if Wix prompts you to do so. Then return to the editor and click Preview. This allows you to check that the updated CMS content appears correctly on your website. Review the affected pages carefully so you can confirm that the new values, added fields, or new items are showing as expected. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. This final step ensures your visitors will see the updated content from your Wix CMS collection. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.